Start by showing you some real results. Check out these receipts on my screen to show that this app I'm about to show you works 100%. These are everyday people just like you who have used this platform to earn money online. You can take this as a side also. Most importantly, no skill is required. I can show you how you can jump in and start making money. Also, make sure to watch to the end in order not to miss out on any of the steps I'm about to show you. Before we go further, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right now. And in order to get the name of the app or the sites, make sure you join my Telegram channel below this video. Step 1, you need to download a VPN. You can download free VPN like Wescribe or Thunder VPN, or you can download this app you're seeing right on my screen. Step 2, in order to get the actual app or the website link for this platform, join my Telegram channel below this video right now. And in order not to miss my future updates and tips on money making, so let's move further to step 3. I will walk you through exactly how to set everything up. So I'm already on my DuckDuckGo. You can decide to use the app, then you can decide to use Chrome. So I came to the settings and I will be clicking on private search. So after clicking on private search, I will go to more search settings in order to change my location to the US. So if you want to use your Chrome, make sure you're on your VPN. I already told you guys to download any VPN, any free VPN to use. So I'm here to change my location to the US. I'm going to click on all region, and on all region I'm going to change my location to United States because mostly survey comes more for United States. Then I'm going to save it up. So I'm scrolling down to save it up. I will save the settings. I'll click on save the settings. Then I'm going to save and use a strong password. I don't know if this one is asking for a password in order to save, but it might not be like that on your phone since this is iPhone. Then afterwards, I'm going to click in the name of the site in order to sign up. This is the site. Click on the 3 icon. So in order for you to get survey question, make sure that you use Google to answer your question. So click on that 3 icon by that side in order to sign up as a member. So you are going to scroll down in order to sign up. So you click on sign up. Sign up as a member. Sign up as a member, not as a client. You'll be taken to the platform where you'll be asked some questions. We are already here on the platform and they are going to ask you basic questions and they will tell you to confirm if you live in the United States. So because we've already changed our location to the United States, we're just going to click on next. After clicking on next, it's going to take us to the next question. The next question, in what year were you born? So you can put any year that you like. Maybe the year is going to be above. Let it be above 18 years. So I will be using Dallas. So I will check out for Dallas zip code. Let me input that 75001. So I'm going to click on next. So what's your email address? I already have an email address I'm going to use. So I'm going to check my Gmail for it. Well, you can use any email address you want, but me, I prefer using something that is English, like that is sounding as a white kind of name, because this platform is not a Nigeria platform. So Mitchell Edward. Oh, sorry. Edward Mitchell 4. That's it. So they've sent a code to my Gmail, and I'm going to check my Gmail in order to input the code. Can you see that my point is already going up? Yeah. So I'm done with the account registration, and I'm going to go to my account right now. So going to my accounts, they are going to give me a survey. Can you see? So yeah, you can just put your name, Mitchell, anything. That's it. So can you see that I'm giving 500 points already? So they are going to give you survey. You click on start to get started. Then can you see? So these are the rewards they will give you. Pay you with gift card, Amazon gift card, Best Buy gift card, DoorDash gift card. So any gift card you want. But if you want to collect any gift card, make sure you collect a virtual Visa card, because it is still the best. If you want to exchange it to Naira, the rate is more better than the others. So I'm going to talk about how you are going to redeem the card in the video, but let's continue. Let's go and let's click on start now to get started. I think I don't know what is wrong with my location, but you can all see how I started, how I register. So make sure that your location is in US or Canada. It's very important. So I don't know what is going on. Maybe it's my network, because I have an account already and I use DuckDuckGo for it. If you want to get started, this is how you're going to get started. Another proof that the app pays. The last step, when you are ready to redeem your card, make sure you message me on Telegram in order to give you a link, a legit link that will help you on that. If you've really gotten value from the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to join my Telegram channel below in order not to miss out on updates like this. See you in my next video.